Hi everyone!
Over 50 slots.
And we are toasting in the Friday! Bucket List Friday. The first slot machine we're starting with is our favorite.
Yes, Dancing Drums Explosion.
Dancing Drums Explosions. We have to get the bonus first. When we get the bonus...
we pick Mystery.
Mystery.
We continue playing this every Friday until we get...
the maximum number of spins with the maximum number of lines. We're so excited.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Dancing Drums Explosion.
Will this be the one where we get to stop?
we want this to be the one.
What do you want to start with?
Not that we don't like the game. We love the game.
Let's start with $1.88.
Sure.
Change it.
We just want to move on to the next challenge. Goal. All right.
Oh, we have 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I keep forgetting. Oh gosh. 188's not doing very well. Let's do 88.
Oh, come on, drums. Where are you?
More than my bed back.
The drums aren't even coming out.
Maybe they're just going to all come out at once. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's another one.
Play free. Wow.
Yeah. This sells drums. Okay, back to $1.88.
You hear that machine? Somebody said jackpot.
We'd be okay with that.
Even the mini's at $30. I'll be happy with that. And we didn't get that opportunity.
That would have been upgraded or whatever. Oh. Come on, dancing drums. You've been mean to us for so long. Be nice. We used to love you. Oh, we're still at the Cosmopolitan. Maybe we'll go try another one.
You know, I'm thinking I want to try for a few spins 288.
Okay.
Got a wild and a drum. It's the drum in the front.
Oh, nothing. There's your bingo.
A couple more spins. See if it does anything. With the drums. So no more line hits.
Oh, come
All
on.
right.
Drums. Woo! Ingots.
We'll step that back to the bottom.
Okay.
There's a gold one.
Well, the first couple of days weren't bad. It's true.
Loads.
But, you know, the longer you gamble, the more you'll lose.
Yeah, there's nothing around that one.
But it's been a really fun weekend. We've had a great time. We spent a day at a cabana. We've had some really good meals. It's been,
Hang out with some good friends.
yeah. We've been hanging out with the Slack cast this trip. It was great. Make sure if you are for some reason not subscribed to the Slack cast, you go over there and subscribe to their channel. They're just a really great couple. They're nice people.
Slot cats rule.
Yes. Was that me or you? We only have a minute left, by the way.
Close.
Oh,
course, at the this trip we hung out with Yvonne and Tony. We love hanging out with them. That's family.
Oh, and you almost got to meet an old friend.
Almost. Yeah, believe that or not, an old neighbor I grew up with as a kid, Keith. He happened to be here at the same time we were. We didn't know that. He saw a post that was that we were at the Cabana and Cosmo, and he was hanging out at the Aria. But by the time he came over here, we were in bed, and I didn't get to meet him, but Yvonne did. Yvonne met up with him again.
Oh, we're down.
Oh, we are?
We're done.
We're done?
Well, that was not a good video. Okay, we gotta do a couple of 588.
We got the end of 2 588.
Well, yeah. One or two. Or three.
Sorry, we did a lot of babbling in this one. Blah, 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 blah.
Hey. Oh, close it. Oh my god, that would be awesome.
All right, we're done.
That's good. Gotta win it. Gotta leave it on the high.
All right. Dancing drums explosions. Yeah, this one was. Thank you for watching, and we'll
yeah, we'll just keep trying. One day.
like and subscribe. Thank you.